Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Zakira Begum's kitchen. Today I am going to show you stuffed vegetable banana peppers. Ingredients: make a slit down the center of the peppers so you can stuff them. Remove seeds if so desired. Boil water. Add green peas, potato pieces, green beans, reduce heat and simmer until tender but still firm. Turn off the gas. Take out of them from the water. Set aside. Heat a tablespoon oil in a frying pan. Add onions. Fry once. Add green chilies. Fry for 2 minutes. Add turmeric powder. Now add boiled vegetables. Mix all together. Add salt to taste. Add red chilli powder. Mix well. Add 1 tablespoon of water. Cover with lid. Keep in a low flame. Cook for 5 minutes. Now curry is ready for stuffing. Turn off the gas. Place the curry in a bowl. Coat the banana peppers with oil. Gently stuff mixture into peppers. Arrange stuffed peppers in a microwave bowl. Place in the oven. Close the door. Microwave for 9 minutes on 900 watts. Give standing time for 3 minutes. Now open the door. Now stuffed banana peppers is ready. Serve hot.